Length doesn't determine engagement. Contrary to popular belief, the length of your video doesn't define its success. Light, camera, action. Welcome back, my fellow creatives. Today, I am here to debunk video production myths that have been circulating for far too long. So grab your popcorn and get ready to leave the myths behind. See, whether you're using your smartphone or a DSLR, focus on honing your skills and delivering a compelling narrative. Remember, it's not about the size of your gear. It's really about the size of your imagination. There is so much more you can achieve and create when you focus on the underlying elements of the reasons why we do all this. Tell me about it. We've all been a victim somehow, you know? Editing is vital in transforming raw footage into a polished masterpiece. However, excessive editing doesn't automatically guarantee success. In fact, I would say simplicity sometimes is the key to making your content shine. For me personally, I've seen so many times where I don't connect with a video because of excessive editing. And I would conclude that a clean and well-paced edit can engage your audience, while overly complex edits might confuse or overwhelm them. So remember, it's quality over quantity. So go ahead, trim the fat and let your video breathe. Think about it like an artist on a music beat. If he talks or sings too much without giving the beat an opportunity to breathe, it's not really as enjoyable, is it? Now, don't get me wrong, visual effects can add that extra punch to your videos, but transporting your viewers to another realm doesn't necessarily require, excessive graphics. Don't forget, the golden rule of viral videos is content is king. A simple concept with a relatable story and authenticity is what truly resonates with audiences. And while effects can be fantastic, don't let them overshadow the heart of your video. Well, I think I've been a victim of this one myself a couple of years ago. And I still am to a certain degree, but now your understanding is length doesn't determine engagement. Contrary to popular belief, the length of your video doesn't define its success. In today's fast-paced digital age, shorter videos often thrive due to their ability to capture attention and deliver a concise message. Because in a way, you let people understand that you respect their time and attention, even though globally, attention span has dwindled by a long shot. So right now, I would suggest focus on delivering value and excitement regardless of the duration, but keep it snappy, engaging, and leave your viewers wanting more. That way, you gain trust over time, and now you can introduce them to longer form videos. So, from filming to editing, marketing to distribution, you can be a one-person powerhouse. But remember, collaboration can elevate your work. So don't shy away from seeking help when needed. And there you have it, my fellow creators. Let's debunk these myths and pave our way to viral video success. Remember, creativity is key, authenticity reigns supreme, and drive will propel us forward. The next video we're going to be having is 5 things you are doing wrong when it comes to rebranding. And if you haven't already, please allow the algorithm understand the kind of content that we are creating by sharing, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. It really goes a long way when you do that and helps this channel grow so we can keep creating more content for you guys.